from the Abyss Project here just south of Sydney in Port Kembla, and I've got the beautiful 5 islands behind me.
Join the Abyss Project aboard the high-speed research vessel Bijigal Dreaming for an unforgettable 90-minute eco-adventure through the 5 Islands Nature Reserve just off the coast of Wollongong. Led by our expert marine biologist, this immersive wildlife tour offers a rare chance to get up close to Australian and New Zealand fur seals lounging on Martin Island. Witness migrating whales and observe a stunning variety of native and migratory seabirds, all within a culturally significant and protected marine environment. Scan the horizon from the rooftop whale-watching crow's nest, perfect for panoramic photos and serene moments above the waves. Enjoy the speed, stability and comfort of our semi-enclosed custom-built vessel, complete with shaded seating and space to move around freely. Want to make your trip even wilder? Maybe consider taking the plunge. Add a seal dive or snorkel package to your booking for the ultimate seal encounter experience this winter.
So come away with us. We hope to see you there.